Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to disable the Instagram instance on your Instagram Messenger inbox and how to disable this update. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Hi friends, in this video I'm just going to show how to disable the instant notes on your Instagram, or how to disable the instant update on your Instagram. So you can see the instant on the bottom of your messenger location. So you just need to disable or to remove the instance from your messenger option in your Instagram. Just do this setting. You can just permanently disable or remove the instance, and you can just turn on whenever you just need it. So first of all, just go click on the three dot option on the top and just go inside the setting option. Now just scroll down and you can find an option called content preference. Click on this. After click on the content preference, you have the option called the last option. I just talking about this. It's a hide instance in inbox. So just turn this on. So when this is on, you won't see a new instance in your inbox. Now just come back to the messenger. Now you can see that the instant option or instant photo which has been showing previously has been disabled or removed. This is the way that you can disable the new Instagram update of the instance photos on your Instagram account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.